So today I am filming my 23&Me review and the process of it. I got it in the mail about a week ago and I waited until I was able to film just for you. Just in case you're wondering what's the process like and if you're debating on getting it, I waited to get this for about 3 or 4 years. It is a little bit pricey, so that's why I waited so long, and then one day I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it. So I'm very excited to go through this process, and then hopefully this video will help you decide if this is something that you want to get or not. So I know that there might be some personal information, so I'm not going to share all my data results, but I definitely want to show you the process of it in case you're like, what the heck is 23&Me? Well, it's a genetic ancestry kit, basically. It tests you for tons of different things. Actually, if you go onto their website, they'll tell you everything that it'll test you for if you choose. You can just do the ancestry kit, or you can do the health kit, like genetics and the ancestry. I got both because I'm like, yeah, whatever, I want to know both. So come along, I'm going to show you exactly how my steps go. So here's what the package came in. And right now I'm drinking out of this lovely Christmas winter mug. I just showed it. I just filmed my haul video for it. I'm drinking Magic Dragon tea. And that's like really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this with you guys and show you my process of it. So let's go along. Okay, hi, let's get started. Okay, so I kind of just pre-read through it. So it comes with this little friendly reminder to tell you to register your kit before you mail it, otherwise they're not going to process it. So it comes with this little instruction page, and it tells you exactly what you need to do. Something I didn't know that you should probably know is that you can't eat or drink or smoke or chew gum 30 minutes before you give your sample. The only question I have with that is, should I brush my teeth before that? Because, you know, I ate supper about an hour ago. Is that a good idea? Should I brush my teeth and then wait 30 minutes? It doesn't say brush your teeth and then wait 30 minutes. So I'm probably not going to do that. Otherwise, I'm sure they would tell you. So that's the only question I have so far. Other than that, I'm going to wait maybe another 20 minutes and then I'll start the testing. So what it comes with is the bag that you put it in. And I'll kind of go through this with you after, or even after I do the test, and explain what I did so that it's really clear for you guys. Okay, so after I filled up the saliva to the fill line, you close the cap tightly till you hear that. And then this, they called it some sort of liquid, is released into the tube, and I hold it upright, unscrew the funnel from the tube, that's nasty. Okay, and then use the small cap and close the tube. Okay, and then you shake it for 5 seconds. So after you shake it, you write the code that's on the tube, which is a 14-digit code, and then you write it on this card. And then you place it in this bag, and you leave the absorbent pad with it, and then you ship it. everything, don't forget to register your kit and mark down your code. So that's pretty much the process of 23andMe. You basically spit in a tube, follow the instructions, close the cap, put on the new cap, and you're good to go. Once you do that, you register, you put this back in the container that it came in. You don't need that top cap anymore. And you seal it up. You're good to go. Now we play the waiting game. Also, I know this is like totally random, but I just realized that I'm 23 and I'm me. Go to bed, Spiral. Just a quick follow-up on the 23andMe results. I got the results in. They were very quick, I would say. Took a couple weeks to get in. It gives you your ancestry composition, which is very neat. So it tells you what parts of the world your DNA is very similar to. So I guess in summary, it's probably where you're from or where your ancestors are from. It explains everything. So you don't even have to Google anything. It literally explains everything. Okay, so with the health reports, again, it explains everything, what the health condition is that they tested you for, and how it can affect you, and why, I guess, or like, if you have a variant, or 2 or 3, or however many they tested you in, they'll explain to you if you're likely increased at risk of getting it or not likely to get it, and it explains why in all of these. So without showing you my personal, I guess, my personal reports, I can just kind of explain to you what that is. And if you go on their website, 23andme.com, it'll tell you everything you need to know as well. So I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, so another really cool thing I just wanted to share with you is that it is constantly rechecking your DNA for new health reports. So if they come up with another way to test you for blank, they'll test you and then they'll send you your results. So every, I don't know, I guess it happens maybe once a month or so. There's not really a time that it does, but just what I've noticed, it'll send you an email, or you just log on and it'll tell you that, oh, there's a new report and we tested you to see if you're sensitive to light. And here's what we found out. And then it'll tell me you are more susceptible to being sensitive to light or not, or something, for example. And I think that's really cool because it's like constantly making you engaged with your DNA. So